This density problem, we're given that fx equals 4x squared plus 64x plus 262. And also, the function g is defined by gx equals fx plus 5. For what value of x does gx reach its minimum? So first, let's look at fx function. This is a quadratic function. And we do know that for a quadratic function, this is a parabola. Its minimum or maximum should happen at its vertex. And so let's review the vertex formula, which should be x equals negative b over 2a, okay? Let's plug in the value here. Our a is 4, our b is 64, so that's going to be negative 64 divided by 2 times 4, okay? So, which is negative 8. We know that the x-coordinate of its vertex should be negative 8, okay? Now let's check this part. This is gx equals fx plus 5. What does this mean? This is a graph transformation. So because it's plus sign here, plus means we move to left, okay? And if it's a negative sign here, it's move to right. So basically, if we move fx function to the left by 5 units, we should get the g of x function. So if you're having trouble to understand this part, let's just maybe use a simple example here to help you understand it. Let's do just fx. To make it simple, fx equals 4x squared. And we know that our g of x should be 4. We replace x by x plus 5 squared. Okay? Then we pick a random point that's on the fx function, which is 0. 0 is easier for us to do. And which point should also be on the g of x function? Yes, if we replace here x by 5, right? We plug in the number. Yes, this entire thing, we should get negative 5, 0. Okay, so the 0, 0 point is moved to the left by 5 units. Then we get this negative 5, 0. Okay, so now you get this part. We know the fx function, the vertex is at negative 8, right? The x coordinate. So the g of x, we should move this to the left also by 5 units, which should be negative 8 minus 5. That is going to be negative 13, right? So that is our answer choice, A here.